So we're down here at the beach today. My students just finished Ensoku. Tanoshikatta? Was it fun? Okay, hi. They had to cook. Nani o tabemashita ka, kyou?
焼きそばとか焼肉。
Oh, yakisoba and yakiniku. So now they're gonna get on their bikes. Many, many bicycles. Bye bye. And most of them get to go home, but a few of them have to go and do club. So it's very, very windy. I didn't actually get to do this. I had to spend the morning at my other junior high school, but I was supposed to go to elementary school today, and I didn't because they canceled the lessons on me to do something else. And so I got to come in the afternoon at least and see them come back. So now they're all coming up from the beach and leaving. Okay, okay. Bye bye. Sayonara. Hello.
Hello.
Kyo, what did you eat today? Nani o tabemashita ka?
焼きそば。
Yakisoba. Was it good? Oishikatta? Okay, it was delicious. It was delicious. Good, good. Alright, that's it. See you. Bye.